What's up, y'all? What's up, y'all? It's Courageous Cat. What's going on? I'm on my way to Miami, and guess with who? My oldest brat, Miss Justin. Yep. We already checked our bag. And we're going through security right now. Got our boarding passes. And we're on our way to turn up. This is a late birthday gift for him. So we're gonna do the damn thing. So I'll see y'all when we get on the flight. Kinda busy, y'all. Kinda busy. Hey y'all, we just got here to the Royal Palm Miami Beach and we got upgraded to a better room because our room wasn't ready. So they upgraded us to a bigger room, 17th floor, which is the top floor. 1731. So we're gonna go to the room and we're gonna check this out right now. Okay, right here. First, from the elevator, you come straight out. And it's room 1731. So what we're gonna do, I got my card right here, and I'm just gonna put it on the pad, and it opens the door. So as soon as you walk in, I think we're Justin. Say what's up. There you go. As soon as you walk in, you got the bathroom. Bathroom's very nice, very nice, very nice. You got your soaps in, you got your washcloths, tissue, you got your towels, there's the toilet, and here is the tub. It has a tub. Some of the other rooms just have a shower, but we have a shower and a tub, which is cool. So, and you got your shampoo right here on the wall, which is dope. Then you come out of here and you got your closet. Open up the closet. And you got your safe, you got your ironing board, just simple stuff, you know. So just close that up. And as soon as you come out, you got the big mirror right here. What's up, what's up, what's up, yeah. Got the mirror, and then you got a nice table right here to eat on. And we got two nice full-size beds, which is cool. So he has his own bed and I got my own bed. And got a lamp on this side. And we got a nice TV. And they gave us 2 bottles of water as soon as we came in. 2 bottles of water, icy cold too. So, and here's the TV right here. Big TV too, big giant TV. And okay, we got our snack section right here. Do not touch this section because you will be charged crazy. I don't know if you see my other video that I have. You need to check that out. It's called the mini bar madness. I think that's what it's called. But it was crazy. So look for that. It tells about this snack section and also this mini bar. Do not touch this mini bar. As soon as you open the door, it starts charging you. So just chill out with that. Anyway, so not dealing with that. So we get to the balcony, which is right here. Very nice. And you open the door and go outside and look at the view, y'all. Look at this view. We on the top floor, 17th floor. 17th floor of the Royal Palm Miami Beach Hotel. The bomb, the bomb. Hey everybody, welcome back to the vlog. I had to take a nap. Because whew, that flight wasn't long, but we was up too early. We was up to like 2 o'clock in the morning, since 2 in the morning. So we just had to get here. We ate our breakfast, as you see. So we just chilling here. We trying to figure out what we're gonna do now. So that's what we're gonna do. We just took a nap, and let me show you guys something. They sent my son a nice little birthday card wishing him a happy birthday, and this is the young lady that checked us in downstairs. She's such an awesome lady. She was very hospitable. She treated us with lots of care. Ah, coffee. Give me my coffee, man. Yay. Oh, you got your water too, right? Thank you. Thank you very much. Coffee. Need this today. Coffee. I've been going crazy trying to save me, ain't no antidote. Hey everybody, good afternoon. Me and my son, we are going on a boat tour, which is right here. Going on a boat tour. And we're also going on a tour of Miami, so we're gonna keep y'all intact with that. So right now we're just on our way to the location where they gotta pick us up. And we're just gonna enjoy the day from inside out. That's it. All right, so we'll see y'all when we see y'all. Hey y'all, we are on a tour bus. As you see, there's people in the back, and me and my son, we in the front. Yeah, we about to go on a tour to see these celebrity houses. So enjoy the views. I'm out.
That means you're extraordinary.
Ooh, that was fun. That was fun, right, Justin? Yeah, boy, that was fun. Now we're gonna go see the alligator show. So let's go see that. I think we get to touch real alligators and whatnot. So we're gonna let y'all see that.
Okay, this gator's actually been dead for 2 weeks. Hey, until he starts to stink, I'm gonna keep using him. Playing dead is Jigsaw's best trick. Thanks for the Gatorade. Come on, Knucklehead. You gotta do one show. You gotta do it all. Straighten it out, kid. Straighten it out. Come here, my boy. Sorry, Stumpy. Yeah, maybe you should have put a ring on it. Oh, you had to put your face in the sand, didn't you? This is why alligators eat their young. Can I take your pictures quickly, please? Take out a rope, couple of wraps, you tie a knot,